I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. Hey, hey. This is the dance we do when we've got a brand new freaking box. That's right. We got a brand new box to our channel, you guys, and I am going to unbox it with you all right now. That's right, right here at Baby Mamacita, we do monthly subscription box unboxings. Oh gosh, we do everything from self-care boxes, beauty boxes, pet boxes, dog boxes, fashion boxes, any kind of box, we're gonna unbox it right here. I love self-care boxes, you guys, and I think it is so dang important that we take care of ourselves, because if we don't take care of ourselves, we can't take care of anybody else. We have to think about number one, and it is okay. It is completely okay to think of yourself. There should be no shame in that. So this particular box, you guys, is called She Matters. It is a subscription box by the company called Boxed In. And this is definitely one of those self-care boxes that is unique and very, very special. And I just want to give a great big shout out to Boxed In for sending me this box. Thank you very much. And I'm going to give my honest opinion right here, right now, unboxing this brand new box of She Matters. This box can run anywhere from $30 to $50. It kind of depends on what your subscription preference is. If you want to go month to month, if you want to do a one-time box, if you want to do a gift to somebody else, you can definitely do that as well. But the prices all kind of vary. So you're going to have to check out She Matters by boxedin.com. And I'm going to leave all of that information in my description area, you guys, so you can check it out for reference after you watch the video.
A few moments later.
We're going to open it up. It is kind of heavy too, guys. Okay, so there we go, right off the top. Ooh, pretty pink paper. A gift for you. Hi, Amber, we hope you like the box and it helps you to be better with making self-care a priority in your life. With love, She Matters. Look at that, it's a handwritten note. Who handwrites notes anymore these days? Like, really? Ooh. They have a nice little trifold here. Look at this, it's so pretty. It says She Matters Self-Care Box. And inside it has all of the items. This is different. You guys know I am freaking obsessed with the descriptions and the brochures and all of that marketing stuff. Like I get a kick out of them. Like, I don't know, is that weird? No, but seriously, these types of things are so awesome. This one is really cool. Like, it's great quality. And inside it says collaboration with Steffi. She has a little note here about her collaboration inside the box. And then it has all of the items inside the box. It does not have a price next to each item as far as the value goes, which that is one thing I would have liked to see here. And then on the inside here, it gives like a guided meditation. As you all know, meditation is a great way to, it works really well if you're consistent and if you are looking to try to get yourself in the present moment. So this one is more like a faith-inspired training if you are into that. So very nice, very, very nice. Has a She Matters sticker with pink paper. So we're gonna open it. See the presentation. Oh, look at that. Very nicely displayed. Look at all of those items. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and read off the items and kind of let you guys know what's inside. This one right off the top is called Kohl. I believe the brand is K-O-L, Kohl or Kohl. These charcoal fiber gloves deeply cleanse, gently exfoliate, and draw out impurities from your skin. Use daily in the bath or shower to prevent acne, fight odor, and give your skin a soft, healthy glow. This is cool. You guys know that I've done a lot of self-care box unboxings, and you can check out my link right up there for previous boxes that I've done. But I can honestly say I've never received anything like this. This is super cool. Like, I'm gonna get my gloves on and I'm gonna wax on and wax off. Okay, and then we have an envelope here. This is different. It says a gift for you, affirmation cards. I love affirmations. Okay, so it has this cute little bundle here, the bow. This says, my gift to help encourage, uplift, and motivate you. I hope you enjoyed the cards. This is from Leslie Ann, wellnesscoaching.com. And Leslie has some really nice affirmations, and you can hang those up on your mirror or wherever you want to be reminded about these. Say them repeatedly throughout the day. This says, I am worthy of happiness. This says, I am strong, I am beautiful, I am confident. Yes, queen. I love myself. I start every day with gratitude and appreciation. I am beautiful just the way I am. So choose a card each morning, read it out loud, keep the positive words in mind throughout your day, and place them in a visible place. Tape it to your bathroom mirror as you're getting dressed. Take your card with you to work and place it on your desk, and each night reflect. Here we have some masks. We have 2 masks. These are pomegranate and a rice sheet masks. These are perfect, you guys, for hanging out in the bathtub or just unwinding in the evening. Maybe you have a day off and you want to have a little mini spa day. Masks are so much fun. I love these. So you got 2 of these in there, and these are Tony Moly face masks. Pomegranate one, it says, helps to provide rich moisture, and the I'm Real sheet mask helps to transform dull and tired skin. Masks. Ooh, what is this? This here we have, it looks like it's a, what is this? Ooh, this is a charcoal body scrub, Manna Kadar. Kadar. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub mask, sea minerals. Let's open this up. I'm curious. I'm really curious. Okay, the Luxe Body Scrub by Manna Kadar contains charcoal to remove dirt and build up, leaving skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. Oh my goodness. Yes, that is definitely a charcoal body scrub. Woo, look at that. It smells really good. It smells fruity. It's got the scrubs in it, the little exfoliating little Scrubby-ma-jiggers. Yes, I am gonna use that. That is so, so awesome. And then we've got a lot more things in here, guys. We've got a, what is this? Ooh, look at this. Wow. This is actually a lemongrass room spray. See that? Uniquely pleasant aroma with notes of lemongrass, basil, and earthy sweetness. Now we open it. And then you just simply use it for air freshener. I like that. That is really good. And that's actually that's a full-size product here, you guys. This is huge. Huge, huge bottle. I love that. So you can use it for linen spray, toilet spray, or it says poop spray. We got a couple, we've got a book here. It's called Money Diaries. Does it feel like you won't ever finish paying back your student loans? Do you spend more on coffee per month than you put into your 401k? Okay, so everything you've ever wanted to know about your finances and everyone else's. So this is a book that they put in here that you can check out, different ways how you can learn how to open a 529 account. It says find a side hustle. Like there's different recommendations in here. Just like, it looks like a legitimate book. I'm definitely gonna check this out for sure. So this is awesome. Money Diaries. Next we have a self-care guide. Now these are the kinds of things that I freaking like in self-care boxes. A self-care 30-day journal, Finding My Crown's 30-day self-care guide by Antoinise Yvette was created to help you prioritize yourself. So looking through here, okay, yes. Don't feel guilty doing what is best for you. Self-care ideas, it gives you different ideas what you can do. Save money, volunteer, get a facial, pray, stretch. It gives different ideas, different affirmations in here. It has little activities that you can do like daily reflections. What are my strengths? What are my weaknesses? Just an overall guide on how you can get in tune with yourself. So this is awesome. So freaking awesome. I love that. One last thing, you guys, in the box, and then we will go ahead and do a review and rate the box. Have a personalized necklace. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. It is a initial necklace. It has my initial, dainty sideways initial necklace, stainless steel and gold plated. This is so awesome. I love personalized things. So this gets me right here. That concludes the unboxing of She Matters. You guys, let's go ahead and do a review and do our thing. Let's do it. Let's rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. She Matters box. This is the very first box that I've ever received from them. And wow, I have to say I am genuinely impressed. Like I've done a lot of self-care box unboxings and this one, wow. Self-care guide, 2 face masks, gloves, charcoal infused, the room spray, Money Diaries book, the champagne charcoal scrub, the affirmations, and the personalized necklace. All of those things, you guys, I don't have an exact price on all of these items, but I will have that in my description area. I'm gonna say overall, this box is very comparable to other boxes as far as the value goes and as far as the price points. Most subscription boxes are between the $30 and $50 range per month. Obviously, if you do a longer subscription with them, you commit and do the prepay, you're gonna get a discount because you'd be locked into a subscription with them long term. Obviously, the price point is very comparable. I love the variety of these items. Like, these are the types of things that you want in a subscription box, like you want in a self-care box. You want the variety from the guides, the journals, to the face masks, to the candles, to the... It's a wide range of items. It's not just 1 or 2 different categories. And I love that about this box. We're gonna go ahead and give this box its very first rating from Sadie Mamacita. Drum roll, please. We're gonna give She Matters box a 8. That's right, we're gonna give She Matters an 8. You guys, I am going to be able to use all of these items, like every single item in this box, I'm going to use. Boxes that I've received, there's maybe been like 1 or 2 items that I wouldn't probably ever use. I'd probably gift it to somebody else. So this, I love that I can use everything in this box, and I will use everything in this box. So thank you very much, She Matters, for sending me this. The personalization was amazing. The care and the thought that they put into this box, on point. What do you guys think about this box? She Matters. Go ahead and check them out online at their website right down below here. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this box. Which item would you enjoy to have? If you enjoyed this box, please give me a like. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye.